Morning, you guys. Hope you're having a really great day. I have this bottle up right now because I am about to pan sear some salmon. But not only am I going to sear it, this is going to be the main ingredient. Pretty much I highly recommend just season it with a little bit of onion, garlic powder, just a tiny, and I do mean a tiny bit of salt, and that's it. Pan sear it, and once you get it pan seared, you're going to add in the bourbon chicken grill and dip sauce on here. It's an all-purpose. Now this is sold at Publix. You may be able to find it online, which is why I'm holding the bottle here. Maybe you can Google it. They have two. Be careful because one actually says to marinate. That one is really watery. This one's a little bit like syrupy. So what you're going to end up doing is just pouring it, which I'm going to show you guys right now how that looks, but I wanted to go ahead and share this with you. Let me say it again. Go ahead and screenshot it. Just, the name is right here. I know somebody is going to skip over this video and you're going to say, what's the name of the sauce? And I'm just going to side eye you. I'm going to send you a side eye emoji. Okay? Take a screenshot. Okay? All right. Let me go cook. You guys, that looks good. Gonna take a little paper towel, and what I'm gonna do is just soak up some of that oil in here. Not all of it, but some of it. It's hot. I wouldn't recommend you do this if you've never done it before. But like I said, what it does is soak up some of that oil. Okay. And then I'm gonna throw this in the sink real quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that bourbon and just I'm going to take the stove is already off if you're wondering, but you see that? I'm going to pop this off like this. I'm going to put a lid on it and I'm going to pop it in the oven, and I'm going to pop my other fish in the oven also, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. That way I can go ahead and start my day. This is the kale salad. It comes with this little baggie that has the seeds and the cranberry and stuff already in it. The only thing I'm really missing is avocado. So inside of the bag, there's broccoli, green cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, the cranberry, oh yeah, poppy seed dressing. Y'all, this is so good. If you had a chance to see the barbecue chicken video, it's pretty much the same. You would just put a little salt, little pepper, some brown sugar, and you would put it in the pan with some olive oil, mix it all in, and then go ahead and make this. And then when you're done, you add the sauce in here. The great thing about it is the kids, even if they haven't had fish, to do it, make sure you clean the fish with a little bit of vinegar first. Or if you have lemon, just to get that fishy smell out of it, because it does not smell fishy at all. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating, and I'll be back. I really don't feel like doing anything today, but I have to cook, you know? Why? Because children have to eat. They gotta eat, but I don't feel like doing nothing else. So I think today's gonna be a straight up chill day. Ooh, you guys. For those of you guys that are like, what do you use that pan for? Well, I just put the fish in there. Look at that. Now you can have a nice salad. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. I almost forgot. So I called Publix and I was like, excuse me, do you have the cranberry love? She said, yes, we do. So you know what I did? I went into the app, the Instacart. shake the room. But y'all, loaves are back in, so guess what? Banana, honey, monkey butter, peanut butter, toast. If you have tried this, please let me know so I don't think I'm crazy. This is so freaking good. I got 2 loaves because, like I said, the kids eat it also. Every so often, I'm not gonna say every night, but I would say at least twice a week. Like at night, I'll get a little craving and I'm like, let me make this, because I'm not in bed doing myself right now to make. Who makes it like, it's like a 15-minute snack process, because I literally have to slice the bread, do the butter, allow it to get really brown and crispy. You can't cook it on too high. That's a long time to make a snack. That's a really long time for a snack. You guys, oh, you know what? Did I ever tell y'all about the fireplace? So I had him remove the middle piece on the fireplace just because, I don't know, like I wasn't in love with it. So he took that off and then he added the trim. But I want to show you guys because I got some sample wallpaper because I'm going to be lining the back of the bookcase with some wallpaper. Let me just put it down this way so you guys can see. These were the options that I had. I'm not going to tell you guys which one I'm selecting. You guys just going to have to see it when I do it. But I'm going to do one of these on the back. That way it has a little bit of interest and detail. It's just not plain. And then I think what I'm going to end up doing is painting this wall. That way the bookcase can stand out more and the fireplace can stand out more. Probably something dark. I'm not sure what color just yet. And then the rest of the walls are going to be like a neutral. But then this would be like the accent wall. That way you could really see the bookcase. So the whole back wall would be that color. I want the bookcase to just kind of like pop out. Haven't really decided on the color just yet. It's not as bad as it looks. So what I'm going to do is have the wallpaper start from here and then go down into the bookcase. And then I'm going to paint this right here a really pretty color. And then the rest of the walls are going to be neutral. That way it doesn't just look like a plain boring bookcase. And I'm not calling anyone's bookcase boring or anything like that. Let me just say that now. A lot of these homes are in the neighborhood. A lot of them are the same. And just doing just that little bit of a change does add some interest in it. And I think it's going to look really good. But yeah, those are the 3 that I'm looking at right now. It's about 8 o'clock. I'm not even sure what I did today at all. I know I made the salmon, the 2 salmon. I made spinach. Went outside. I don't really know what I did, but I will answer this. The mirror that was in the master, which is no longer in the master, is from Home Goods. I think a lot of you guys are like new coming on, which is fine. Thank you so very much. But if you find yourself being just a little bit interested or thinking to yourself that you may want to subscribe, then I highly recommend going back to maybe at least like 10 videos, because I did like haul videos, like some decor stuff. Like people are still asking me where I bought the Jo Malone candle. Like it's linked in a few videos. I didn't feel the need to link it on every single video, but the ones where like I was lighting them, like I was like fine. What else? I think that's it. But the mirror is from Home Goods, and unfortunately Home Goods is closed. The beads downstairs is from Home Goods, but I didn't just buy it. I think I said it in a previous video, but once I got the green light on like how much money was needed for closing and I secured that, I just started getting little small things for the house. I didn't do anything big like furniture, because again, sometimes you think you want one thing, then you get into the house and you start doing stuff in different direction. Except for this chair, the blue chair. I did buy that, which I'm not gonna say was a mistake, but if I can go back, I probably wouldn't have gotten it. But anyway, I did purchase like little decor things. So the beads was purchased at least 5 months ago. It was purchased at Home Goods. I would see little things, and just to kind of feed my appetite of like not buying anything, I'd buy those little small things because I knew I could always implement them somewhere. The beads, the green ones here in the master that I put right here on the console, that was from Home Goods. And I purchased that probably around August. Because August, before I left, I did a haul. And I just didn't tell y'all that it was for me. I thought maybe it was for a client. It was for me. But I didn't say anything about it. So I had been doing little small, you know, nothing crazy, just little $100 here, $50 here, $60 here, $10 here, $30 here, just purchasing little things. If I saw something, I'd just buy it. I wasn't trying to go crazy. Unfortunately, there is a place where I can get some more beads, which I think I'm gonna do like black, because I want to mix like black and dark blue in here, and maybe like a white opaque. I had gone to this store and it's so crazy because I had grabbed a whole bunch and I was with someone. They were like, you should just wait. And I was like, you can't go wrong with beads. I could put them on the bookcase. I can put them, you know, on the island. I was like, you can't go wrong with it. Like, and she was like, you should wait. I shouldn't have waited, honestly. I should have gotten it because it really wasn't a whole lot of money. It was like maybe like, I don't know, I think they were like 20, 30 bucks, something like that. And I think I had about 5 of them or something. But I knew in terms of like decor, things like that, like I could always resell it to a client, use it in my house, whatever the case may be. But I think that's it. But I'm going to go ahead and go because I have to edit and I have to do stuff. And I have to blow dry my hair. My hair, I allowed it to air dry. And I mean, for the most part, it's not tangled or anything like that. I just have to go with the blow dryer. I am relaxed. A lot of you guys asked me about that. I am relaxed, but I don't put relaxer in my hair to make my hair bone straight. I apply to the roots. It doesn't even stay 2 minutes, and then I rinse it just so I can comb through my hair. My beautician, you know, Lacey, she does natural hair. She told me I shouldn't do that because what happens is you can see the demarcation in my hair where my hair is like natural and where it's not. But I find just allowing my hair, I don't know if you can see the little curliness in here. It's not curly, you know, but the crinkly. It's not bone straight, I could tell you that now. But I like for my hair to have fullness. I don't like for it to be like relaxed and flat and not lifeless, you know. But that's just what I do to my hair. I think that was the question I was asking. We were asking if I was natural or relaxed, but I'm relaxed. But like I said, it's not where I'm putting it from root to tip. I don't do that. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a really, really great day. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.